Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this little Jeep here, this off-roader Jeep, which has windows and lights. I saw a video on this channel called Tulemi Goka, and he's a pretty nice YouTuber who makes really nice Lego builds and also some Tomica videos. If you don't know what that is, it's a type of Japanese model toy car brand. I got inspired off of one of the things he was building, and I decided to build my own little thing. So I decided to build this Jeep. So I'm gonna take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, I've taken everything apart, so now I'm going to show you everything you'll need. You'll need two 1x6s, one 1x4, two of these 1x4 axles, and four of these wheels, one of these 8x4 base plates, one 2x4 flat piece, one grill 1x2, 6 of these 2x2 tiles, 2 tall glass pieces, one of these glass windshields over here, 2 of these round 1x1 tile pieces, and 4 of these 1x1 flat pieces that are transparent, and then 6 of these 1x1 cement holes, 2 1x2s, and one 10x4 flat piece. So now let's get started. So first, we need to place our wheels in the correct spots. So place them 2 bricks inside. So then place these 2 brackets for our bumper, our nice flat bumper. And then we can place the grill either this way or this way. I'm gonna place it this way. Then get 2 snot holes, place them across from each other. Like this. And then place 2 1x6s and a 1x4 flat piece, and then 1x4 piece here, and 2 1x2s. Then we need to place our plates, which are red, onto here. And they look pretty neat. So now we need to place our windshield and our windows onto the sides. And this window will go back here for a reason. And now we'll do why. I'll show you why we need to do that by placing these snot holes, the last few snot holes. And then we need to place these lights on top and on the bottom, which are square, like that. And then these two lights on the front, like so. And then we need to place these tiles on the top. To cover up our roof. And the little Jeep is complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!